The building you can see over there is where they do all the talk about how birds that migrate from Canada down here. There's a sign saying how about this being the reserve. And just look down here, all this rubbish. It's meant to be in the reserve. Those birds fly thousands of kilometres from the north of the continent all the way down. They get to receive this. It's all over. I mean, this whole field, which is meant to be by the ocean's just there. It's been a whole reserve. It's just full of rubbish. Look at the state of this. This is going to be the water. Look at the state of the television over there.